Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. I love you. And to my old subscribers, I love you all. I love you too. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the show of love. I want to say thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're just stopping by for the first time. Thank you. So today I want to, I want to educate you guys on skin types because I feel a lot of you out there don't really know much about your skin type. You don't really know your skin type. A lot of people, you jump into this cream today, you use this one tomorrow, and you get confused a lot. So I just feel like you just, throw more light on types of skin. So you know your type of skin, you know the kind of cream you're supposed to apply on your skin. Like me already, I know my skin type. I know my skin type. I have a dry skin. So this is my cream. I feel like I should just share with you guys my cream. This is my cream, Dr.Teals. This cream is superb. Like, it works like magic. I've seen a lot of reviews online and so on and so forth. This cream is good. It's really, really good for all skin types. So you can as well get this for yourself. It's good. So now this is how I apply my cream anytime I want to use this cream. It's best you leave your skin wet when you finish taking your bath. Like, you don't wipe away all the water on your skin. So you just leave a little water, so when you want to apply it, let me give you for example. Maybe your skin is still wet. You make sure your skin is wet. So now this is how this cream is. You look at it. This is it. So that it will dilute into your skin very well. This is it. It doesn't give knuckles. It's really, really good. It's lovely. It's good for all skin type. You can get it. Can you see? It's a moisturizing cream. A lot of people don't like using cream on their face, but I do use it on my face. It's good. I don't like using different products on my face. So I rub my body cream on my face as well. So this is perfect. Can you see? Make sure you massage it very well. Can you see? It doesn't give strawberry skin. Like, you can see my skin is smooth. No. So now, this is the soap I'm using with this. Hawaii. I believe you all know Hawaii. This is Hawaii. I like carrot. Carrot is good. It lightens the skin. It doesn't bleach. It doesn't give any reaction. So this is good. I love this. So this is my soap. So in a situation like this, you don't need any soap that you don't need a bleaching soap, something that will give you reactions. You just need something mild. So I like using this. So now, back to the main business of the day. So now, skin types is unique in its own characteristics. I don't know if you know about that. If you notice, in most cases, your friend can achieve a flawless skin with a certain product, but when you try same products, it doesn't work on your skin. So this is because your skin type is different and not all products can work on it. So understanding your skin type will help you give your skin the customized care and protection needed to achieve a beautiful, flawless, and glowing skin. So that's why I actually made this video today, so I can take you on, steps on how to know your skin type. So there are three types of skin: oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin. The only advantage of having an oily skin is that they have less wrinkle and usually look younger than their actual age. Oily skin always appears shiny and oily, especially on the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, because of the production of excess oil in the sebum. People with this skin type are more prone to enlarged pores, acne, pimples, blemishes, blackhead, whitehead, and sunburn. Now, a dry skin produces less natural oil than other skin types. Because of this, dry skin always appear dull, rough, and even scaly. It often feels tight, irritated, itchy, and dehydrated. This skin type is always prone to showing visible fine lines and wrinkles. People with this type of skin tends to look older than their age. So the next one is sensitive skin. It is possible to have oily sensitive skin, dry sensitive skin, or a normal sensitive skin. So that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if it was useful to you, and also share it. Thank you very much.